Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by identifying the exact disk and making a quick backup. Do that first so you can act safely. Once you know the disk identifier and have an external copy, reboot into recovery or safe mode to avoid write conflicts. Make sure to have admin credentials and, if necessary, a USB installer ready. Now start the repair utility for your OS. Launch chkdsk, fsck, or disk utility, and run an initial analysis scan to map bad sectors and error types. You now move into the detailed repair. Run the full file system and surface scan with recovery flags to fix metadata and remap bad sectors. While the tool runs, watch progress and logs for I/O errors. Stop if you see continuous hardware failure signs. If the software repair reports unrepairable corruption, create a full disk image to another drive immediately to preserve data. Once imaged, attempt repair on the copy, so you avoid further damage to the original disk. You complete the process by verifying the file system and attempting a normal boot. Run a final integrity scan and confirm files open correctly. If errors persist or SMART reports reallocated sectors increasing, plan a drive replacement and restore from the image or backup you made earlier. Make sure to retire the failing disk safely. If things go wrong, test with smart utilities and swap cables or ports. Sometimes a bad cable or controller gives the same symptom.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.